Picture an assembly line. Parts move, sensors ping, alarms whisper, and at the end, something surprising. Now imagine your body at night as that same factory inputs of stress. Hormones, light, processes of REM, muscle twitches, dream images, an output that sometimes shocks everyone. An orgasm in sleep. Hi. Well, not hi. Listen fast, because tonight, I'm marrying industrial engineering to nocturnal orgasms and a tiny urban legend about a woman who swore she heard a voice from deep inside her womb during climax. Strange, right? Stay with me. In my own college days, I kept a weird little lab note. I was curious, nerdy, and sleep deprived. A perfect mix. One autumn night, I woke up with my heart pounding and words stuck in my head like a stuck gear. I joked later with friends. My womb spoke, but later, the joke turned into question. Did I hear a real voice? Was it a dream? A muscle spasm? Or something from an old seaside myth about women whose bodies whispered secrets at full release? Industrial engineers love math. So map this with inputs, what you ate, the stress on your plate, the angle of your pillow, controls, room temp, through like bedtime habits, the REM, autonomic nervous system firing, and outputs, dream content, body contraction, hypnagogic sound. Sometimes the brain creates a vivid inner voice during REM. Sometimes pelvic muscles contract in a pattern that feels like speak. Combine both, and boom, you get the tale of a womb voice. Let's be practical and playful. You don't need tools or shame, just curiosity and a notebook. Try a 7-night micro-study. Every night, jot 3 things. 1, what you did before bed, screen time, heavy meal, late study, have you slept, deep, restless, vivid dreams. 3, any odd sensation, sounds or words you remember. Add 1 experiment each night. Shift bedtime by an hour. Dim lights an extra 30 minutes. Do a 2-minute body scan, breathing into your pelvic, or sleep in a different side. Treat it like process improvement. Change 1 variable at a time. Note the outcome. You might meet the womb voice, only in NIF, where you might learn that certain routines produce richer dreams and stronger internal sensations. Scientific possibilities. REM sleep brings vivid inner speech and sound-like experiences. The autonomic nervous system can cause rhythmic muscle contractions. The vagus nerve can carry strange pressure signals, and sometimes the brain stitches these signals into a narrative, a voice, a sentence, a song inside your body. Now the fun, safe part. Become your own engineer. Improve your sleep environment. Cool room, little light. Build a consistent bedtime. Do 10 minutes of low-pressure mindfulness, focusing on breath and body sensation. Keep your notebook. Tell 1 trusted friend or your campus health center about what you're tracking, if it bothers you. If the voice feels scary, or if waking sounds or visions persist, to see a clinician, sleep medicine, or mental health, because sometimes these experiences need care. Finally, for the storytellers out there, add a touch of myth to your notebook. Give that voice a name. Call it the line inspector who checks the machines at night. Ask it a question before bed, silly. Playful, and see what your dreams answer. You'll learn patterns, maybe laugh, maybe be surprised. Either way, you'll have turned mystery into a small, safe experiment. And that, dear engineer of your own night, is the best kind of research. Hands-on, curious, and a little bit magical.